Hey, welcome to Mac's Garage. I'm Mac, and today we're going to be installing a radio into my 2000 Jeep Cherokee. So because we are installing a new one, I got Android Auto, so it's going to look way better even though it's an old car. So I'm super excited. But other than that, I really don't feel like getting inside the car again. I feel like I've been doing that for weeks. But anyways, let's get to it. All right, so first things first, make sure you disconnect the battery. I couldn't have gotten a smaller screwdriver for this. Then you unplug the antenna and all these wires. It's out, and now we're gonna take off the dash kit in order to put it on the new one. So this is a jumble of a mess. So we checked these new ones that came with the radio, and you have to match them with the wires that are here. So there's like green, black. Make sure you're only cutting the ones that have a match. I'm pretty sure they all do, but this has, like, it's all taped off. I know I need some of these, but I'm gonna wait until I actually get to that part before I cut which ones I need and don't need. It seems like it's 16 gauge. We're gonna strip the wires to go into the connectors. That was definitely not enough. Let's start from the end. You'll twist the wire, put on the connector, then clamp it down. You'll be able to pull the wire without it coming out. Essentially the same thing on, oh, backwards. Same thing on this side. So after we finish this, all we have to do is put them into the connectors. Because this wire is a smaller gauge, fold it in half, and I'm gonna go one by one on the small plug. So all of them are set, except for the white that I have to redo. So we're gonna take the cage out of the old one. And then you're gonna bend pretty much the same tabs. All right, so we're gonna snap it in. Here we are. Plug it in. Make sure which side's the top. I have it upside down still. And then this back in. So now we gotta connect the battery to make sure it actually works. Ta-da! It works. It's probably the first electrical thing that's worked that we've done. Anyway, so I definitely thought putting in a radio was just plug it in and plug it out, not having to actually rewire the whole dang thing. So will I do it again? I'll probably just have my husband do it. Anyways, I hope you join me next week. We have pod lights to install and the roof to sand to be able to paint, and a few more things that I already have everything for, but soon to come. We also have suspension and a bunch of other stuff. So I hope you stick around. Make sure to like and subscribe below.